In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Airtable for database management. Airtable is a fantastic tool that combines the simplicity of a spreadsheet with the power of a database. It's particularly well suited for managing data across projects, keeping everything organized, and ensuring that consistency is maintained throughout. Whether you're collaborating with a team or working solo, Airtable's intuitive interface and powerful features are here to help streamline your needs. Starting off, let's dive into the creation of a base, which will be the foundation of your database work in Airtable. When you first open Airtable, you'll want to create a new base. Look for the option that says Create Base. You have three choices here. Start with a blank base. Select a template or import an existing spreadsheet. If you're just getting started, you might choose a blank base to understand everything from the ground up. On the other hand, templates can give you a head start, and importing a spreadsheet is perfect if you're migrating data. As an example, let's say we're setting up a business database. This base will hold all the essential data for our business operations. Once you have your base in place, the next step involves creating tables. Tables are what you'll use to organize different types of data. For instance, if you're maintaining a business database, you could have separate tables for customers, orders, and products. This setup helps segment your data logically, making it easier to manage and analyze. Now, a crucial aspect of database management is establishing relationships between different pieces of data. Airtable allows you to do this effortlessly with linked records. By creating linked records, you can establish connections between tables. Imagine linking customers to their respective orders or associating specific orders with the products being sold. This not only provides a better overview, but also builds a more complex, relational database structure. The benefits here are immense, as you can avoid duplicating data, maintain consistency across your tables, and even scale up your system as your needs grow over time. Moving ahead, let's explore how to utilize lookup fields. A lookup field is a neat feature that automatically pulls related data from a linked table. For example, you might want to see customer email addresses directly within your orders table, or display the product prices within a transactions table. This automation saves you time and reduces the chances of errors, as you don't need to constantly reference multiple tables manually. Finally, an advanced feature that comes into play is the rollup field. Unfortunately, we won't cover that in detail today, but just know that it's used to perform calculations or summarize data further from your linked records, making your database even more insightful. By leveraging these core Airtable functionalities, you'll be setting yourself up with a robust database management system. Each feature, from the basics like creating tables to advanced functionalities like linked records and lookup fields, is essential in harnessing the true potential of Airtable for your data management needs. So go ahead and give it a try, explore different configurations, and find what best suits your requirements.